Pujalani is saying, but the voice is not reaching me. On your mic, Pujalani.
So velocity and time graph.
Velocity and time graph. And day before yesterday, what graph you have seen?
Sir, distance graph.
Distance, time
graph, sir.
Sir, distance time.
If it is a uniform motion or uniform speed, the graph is always look like a straight line for us. Straight line for us. Okay. So in the case of distance time graph, we have drawn a triangle and we have drawn a how to find the speed.
Sir, I have assigned now, sir. Do you receive it, sir?
Yes, okay. So using velocity the distance time graph, we can find the speed by using the formula v is equal to s2 minus s1 by t2 minus t1. Okay. In the case of velocity time graph, we can that is for the uniform motion, we can use the formula of the triangle distance. We can calculate the distance. We can calculate the distance. So if S is equal to AC into CD, AC into CD, that is equal to what is given velocity into T2 minus T1 into time. Thank you all. So that we can get the values from the data from the graph itself. And for the velocity time graph for a car moving with a uniform acceleration, we get here two triangle and with a rectangle that is called as a trapezium. That is called as a trapezium. So from trapezium we can calculate the area of the triangle and area of the rectangle. We can calculate the total distance traveled by the car. So S is equal to AB into BC plus half into AD into DE. So what is the formula for finding the area of a triangle? What is formula for finding
length into breadth, sir?
That is for rectangle. I am asking for a triangle, ma'am.
Half into BH square.
Half into h square, sir.
Half into base into height. Half into base into height. How we get half into base into height? Silabardi. Yes, Silabardi.
Sir.
See here. How we get half into base into height? So if you take this triangle, see here. If you take this triangle, it is a triangle means, so you can draw this line. Okay. So this is the base, and this is the height. So half into base into height. Half base is the formula for finding the area of the triangle. So if you have this base, you want to divide by 2. That is commonly take a half into. So if you know the length of the base, you can write length of the base and you can calculate the height. So if you apply this formula, you can get the area of triangle. Okay. So yeah, what is the area of a rectangle?
Sir, length into breadth.
Length into breadth.
Length
into breadth, sir.
length into breadth, LB. So area of rectangle is equal to breadth into B. So in the case of distance time velocity time graph. In the case of velocity time graph, we are having uniform velocity and the non-uniform velocity also. So if we take this in the case of non-uniform velocity எடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னா the graph may be any shape. The graph may be any shape. Like இப்படி இருக்கலாம், இப்படி இருக்கலாம். Okay, because it is non-uniform shape. Function start from 0 to 20 at 1 it will be 2, like this will be going on decreasing or increasing anything. So if this means decreasing, it is the opposite increment is decreasing. So the shape of the graph will be vary. ஒரே மாதிரி அவசியம் கிடையாது, மாறலாம். So this is also another shape of the graph. So see here 0 and suddenly increase also 34, 0 and 34, the 4 means 34. After 4 to 8 means that down also. Is coming down and it is increasing and it is decreasing. So for it is for the both is for the non-uniform motions. Okay. So uniform motion are always graph must be like this only. Uniform motion is not graph is the I mean this automatic speed always you get the straight line. But in the case of non-uniform motions, the graph may be initiated. Graph may be initiated because in this
Initiate.
non-uniform motion, speed is not equal. Speed is not equal. Yeah, speed is also see here time and velocity. So time increases, velocity also increases means is information. But the time increases, but velocity sometimes increases, sometimes decreases. So there will be a varying. There will be a varying in the velocity. So it is an example for the non-uniform motions, non-uniform velocity graph. Yeah, so this is also a velocity time. Both are also a velocity time graph. ரெண்டுமே velocity time graph தான். But they have the different shapes. So yesterday we saw the graph. No, but the graph that also a graph தான். Yeah. So in the graph, see here, the graph is drawing the graph like this. Drawing a graph like this, okay. Points will be like this. Yeah. Then you marking your point. You marking point A. Yeah. What no?
Sir, can you teach little slowly, sir? I can't understand, sir.
Okay. See here. Yesterday we are seeing the graph, distance time, this velocity time graph. See for that I am taking drawing a small graph. Also it is in the drawing a graph like this. Okay. I am taking the velocity in the y-axis. The velocity is the velocity. Is the velocity. So what is the initial velocity? The velocity is equal to meter per second or m is power minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, here velocity. So in the this is y-axis and this is x-axis. In the x-axis I am taking time. Time in seconds. Okay. So I am plotting the distance. So I am taking the time as time here. So I am taking the time. So it is always start 0 from here. Always start 0 from here. 0. Okay. Then 5. Then 15. Then 10, 15, 20, 20, 25. Then 30. 30. Like this, you get to plot the points. This time interval பார்த்தீங்களா நமக்கு என்ன டைம் கொடுத்தாலும் அதை எடுத்துக்கலாம். நம்ம வந்து இதுதான் போகணும் அவசியம் கிடையாது. 0 தான் போகணும். நமக்கு இந்த சம்மில் வந்து ஆல் டைம் இன்டர்வல் தான் டைம் இன்டர்வல் வச்சு we can plot the values. And for velocity, because velocity increasing, so I mark this what is velocity there? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. ஒன்று நல்லா ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கீங்க. நம்ம பிளாட்ஸ் நம்ம வந்து வேல்யூஸ் பிளாட் பண்ணும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டுக்கு இந்த டைம் இன்டர்வல் சேமாக இருக்கும். அது மாறக்கூடாது. இங்கே 5 தான் இருக்குது டிஃப்ரென்ஸ். இங்கே 5 அப்புறம் 8 அப்புறம் தப்பி பார்க்கக்கூடாது. ஒன்றா ஒரு ரேஷ் ஒரே மாதிரி டைம் இன்டர்வல் வந்து ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். அதான் வந்து கிராஃப். ஓகே 2 எடுத்துனா 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 அப்படி போகலாம். இல்லை 3 எடுத்துனா 3, 6, 9 அப்படி போகலாம். 3 அப்படி தான் இருக்கும். 5 எடுத்துனா 0, 5, 10 இங்கே 0 தான் இருக்கும். ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட் ஆல்வேஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 0 தான் இருக்கும். இது ஆரிஜின். It is the origin. Origin is always 0 தான். Always 0.
Sir, should not go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sir.
Sir, Vijayaraman sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir.
Sir, good morning. Just one new student came, sir, today. Akilan.
Just wait, sir. Recording is going on, sir.
Okay. Sorry.
2 minutes again speak, sir.
Okay, fine.
Here 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Here 10, 20, 30 எடுத்திருக்கேன். Somebody asked doubt. What is doubt?
Sir, you should not go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sir.
Yes, take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. Time interval same only one தான் gap இருக்கு. You can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 இருக்கலாம். இல்ல 0, 2, 4, 5, 6 இருக்கலாம். இல்ல 0, 3, 6 அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. டைம் இன்டர்வல் வந்து டைம் ஆகுது. கரெக்ட்டா? அப்ப மேட்ச் கிராஃப் ஈஸியா வரும். இல்ல மாறிச்சுனா கிராஃப் வந்து ராங்கா வரும். ராங்கால வராது. கரெக்ட்டா வரும். உங்களுக்கு பாயிண்ட்ஸ் மார்க் பண்றது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். கரெக்ட்டா பாயிண்ட் மார்க் பண்றது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். அது இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம என்ன கிவன் டேட்டா வருதோ அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி we can take the or we can plot the values. ஓகேவா? So இங்க 10, 20, Speed actually only 10, maximum 10 km speed. Glass 10 இருக்கலாம், 20 இருக்கலாம், 30 இருக்கலாம், 40 இருக்கலாம் பாத்தீங்களா? அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம போறோம். ஓகேவா? அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம எடுக்க போறோம். ஓகே? புரியுதா? சோ ஓகே, இப்போ வந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம்? 0 5 க்கு 10, 5 க்கு 10. ஓகேவா? நம்ம என்ன பிளாட் பண்ணிருக்கோம்? நம்மளோட ரீடிங்ஸ் என்ன இருக்கு புக்ல? 0 ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 0 9 இருக்கா? சோ 0 9னா இந்த 10 இங்க இருக்குனா 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 இங்க இருக்கு. சோ 5 க்கு 9, 5 க்கு 9 பார்ட் பண்ணுவோம். 5 க்கு 9 பார்ட் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகேவா? then 10 க்கு 18, 10 க்கு எங்க இருக்கு? 18 இருக்கு. 1 2 3 18 க்கு 10 க்கு 18 மார்க் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே, 10 க்கு 18 மார்க் பண்ணனும். ஓகேவா? then for 15 க்கு 27, 27 இருக்கு இங்க 27, 15 க்கு 27, 20 க்கு 36, 20 க்கு 36. யூனிஃபார்மா போடுறீங்களா? வாட் இஸ் கேப்? 9 9 கேப் இருக்கா? கட் ஆஃப் 36. அப்புறம் 25 க்கு 45. like this is going on. So when I join this, I get a straight line like this. Get a straight line like this. Okay, I get a straight line. Because it is a uniform motion, I am getting a straight line like this. Okay, va? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to calculate the distance traveled by the car. So I got it. First I can take any point here, A and E. I take any point A here. Okay, va? First of all, I am drawing a line parallel to the x-axis from A. இருந்து ஒரு லைன் வரைகிறேன். ஓகேவா? பேரலா லைன் வரைகிறேன். அடுத்து E ல இருந்து ஒரு லைன் பேரலா வரைகிறேன். எங்க மீட் ஆச்சு? மீனிங் at what is point that? I can take this point as here D. That's it. Okay, D ல மீட் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஓகேவா? Then I am drawing a perpendicular line like this. ஓகேவா? I am drawing it. Okay? ஓகேவா? So it may be like 10 ல இருந்து நமக்கு வர சான்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? So here now I want to calculate the distance traveled by the car. Total distance traveled by the car. For that, what I want to do? என்ன பண்ணனும்? I want to find the distance traveled by car அப்படினா என்ன பண்ணனும் நானே? I want to what ma? listen here. Yeah. I want to find the both the areas. I want to calculate the area of the triangle and I want to calculate the area of the rectangle. So this is a triangle, this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. I want to calculate both these areas. If I calculate the areas and I add means I can get the total distance traveled by the car. Total distance traveled by the car. புரியுதா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Total distance traveled by the car. Next, what is the I told? So this is A and this is B and this is C. Yeah, A. So ADE is a triangle. AD is a triangle and ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. Okay. Now I want to find the area of the triangle. So for calculating total distance, so we can always mention the distance in small letters. This is equal to area of the triangle plus area of the rectangle. What is area of the triangle? Half into base into height. Half into base into height. Okay, half into base into height. What is base here? Area. AD is base of
Yes, sir.
half into AD into what is height? D. Height is D. Okay, height is D. Okay, Kavinaya, என்ன Kavinaya? Kavinaya, what is going on there? For disappearance means you can leave the class. S is equal to half into AD into DE. Now I want to calculate the area of the rectangle plus what is form of area of the rectangle? AB into BC. This is length and this is breadth. So this is length, this is breadth. Okay, what? So AB into BC. AB into BC. Okay. So if I get here, I see half into AD into BC plus AB into BC. Now after getting the values, you can substitute the values, I can get the total distance traveled by the car. Yeah. What distance traveled by the car on that? I can get it. Yeah. So what is unit of distance? Unit of distance is only meter or kilometer. Meter or kilometer. So here, some you take as the kilometer. Kilometer it will go. So in kilometer we can take as a kilometer. So you can get the answer only in the form of kilometers. Need out in this. Need out in this.
No, sir.
If you get the total area of the triangle and the rectangle and we add it, we can get the total distance traveled by the car. Okay. This is applicable for all the graphs. All the graphs. All the graphs we can get the distance traveled by the car. Okay. Read out in this. Read out in this.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, can you explain once again the triangle part, sir?
Which one part?
Triangle, sir. How to find the triangle, sir?
Of the triangle. See, this is straight line. Yeah, after plotting the graph, after joining the points, I will get this line. And I will say this A and E as a point. I take anywhere this point. Not only the same point. I can take anywhere this point. I can take A anywhere. Yeah, and E anywhere. So A equal to A E. Yeah. So first of all, draw a straight line parallel to this is x-axis. This x-axis. Okay, from line draw a line parallel to the x-axis from A. A இருந்து ஒரு line parallel வரையறோம். Yeah, and then
Sir, how
draw
to
the
choose the TA, sir?
sir.
How to choose the TA?
You can choose anywhere. The line எங்க choose பண்ணலாம். Because it is uniform acceleration, no. எங்க choose பண்ணலாம். இங்க choose crossing எங்க இல்ல. At any point you can take. At any point you take means you get same answer. Okay, புரியுதா? இங்க தான் இருக்கணும் எங்க இருக்கணும். So A point E point mark பண்ணிக்கிறோம். Okay, so I'm taking a point here. From A I'm drawing a straight line that is parallel to the x-axis. So I'm drawing another line that is from E. I'm drawing another line parallel to the y-axis. This is y-axis and parallel to y-axis. I'm drawing a line. These two lines meet at a point. This point is called as D. This point is D. Okay. Now I extended this line. Yeah, I'm joining first time because the point A is there. A and I'm drawing straight line to meet at the time. X-axis. Another way from B, I'm drawing a line to meet at time. So if I subtract this one, this is the time. At this time, the car is here. The car is traveling this distance. Okay, at this time, the time on the car distance. So for calculating the distance traveled by a car, I want to find the because it is a triangle, it is a trapezium. This is what is a trapezium. Yeah. So to find the area of this A, B, C, D, E. If I find this total area, I can get the distance traveled by the car. So for that, I am separating this as a triangle and the rectangle. Rectangle. So for a triangle, the formula on the half into for finding the area of the triangle. Yeah, this is the area. This is the area. I want to find the total area of this area. This is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, first of all, I am going to find the area of the triangle ADE. So for ADE is the base. ADE is the base, and DE is the height. So formula for finding area is half into B into H. Simply say half BH is the formula for area of triangle. So S is equal to half, and I'm taking AD. AD is the base and D is the height. And I'm taking this rectangle. So AB is the length and BC is the breadth. So to find the area of the rectangle, the formula is length into breadth, breadth. So AB into BC. So I'm adding this both the areas. So this is the area of the triangle, and this is the area of the rectangle. So if you add this, I can get this totally half into AD into DC plus AD into DE plus AB into BC. So this is the total distance traveled by the car. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the way
Yes,
to
sir.
find the distance traveled by any vehicle, not only car. You can go for the any vehicle in the road. Where drawing this graph, you can find the distance. Okay, Bujani, தூக்கம் வருதா? Bujani, தூக்கம் வருதா?